So here I am testing out another way to do this carbon fiber skinning. So in the spirit of update videos, I finally finished the rearview mirror here. I still have to do the other side, which the other side is still all nice and black and stock. But then this one skinned already, and it's looking good. I still gotta sand it. I didn't want to put it on and get it scratched or anything, so I'm gonna flatten it, polish it, and then should be good to go. And after the show this weekend, I'll be doing the other side. But yeah, amongst other things, I finally received a couple intakes that I'm porting. I'm reporting this one over here, which actually it's kind of funny. It's already. Funny thing about this one is that it's already been ported. I'm unsure as to who ported it. Pretty much, only thing I know is that it doesn't have a number down here, so might be aftermarket. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's been ported. Looks clean and nice, and it's also got the EGR deleted. And then I got this one, which this one's getting all hogged out. I was gonna go pretty much, the walls are gonna be 1/8 of an inch thin all the way around, and then the outside is gonna get cleaned up so I can powder coat it real nice and sell it. And from that, I then got these from Israel, which actually, funny enough, the chrome was bubbling and I'm peeling it off. This is gonna be kind of tedious, but as you can see, it leaves a very clean, pristine plastic. It's just gonna need to be cleaned up with some solvent, and I'm gonna get them satin black again, the color that they should be. And then here's one of the lenses that I have already smoothed out. I just did this with 400 grit. I'm also gonna round them up a little bit and then coat them up. That way they look very nice and clean. And I'm also gonna be installing an LED set that is down there, but I wanna finish all the work on these before I even start that. So yeah, other than that, just pretty much here playing with little bits of carbon fiber, making little random stupid things. Made an insert for the center console, and actually, let me see if I can lift this up. There we go. Bam. Made an insert for the center console. It's actually kind of funny. It's almost see-through, so I would have to put something in the back. Yeah, the funny thing about this is that it almost looks fake. It's a little dusty. But yeah. Very smooth. Even the backside came out really smooth. But yeah, so pretty much, like I mentioned before, everything that I'm doing now, it's stuff that doesn't take the car out of commission for a long period of time, because it's a lot of shows and I like to go out to the shows with her. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit the like button.